Designing a product on Printify that should sell out is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can design some of the products in Printify that should sell out pretty quickly. So for that, you simply have to go to Printify. You need to create an account. After creating an account, you click on My Store and you will see this option. Now here you have to click on Catalog and you have to select, I'm going to click on Best Sellers and I'll be able to see all the different options that I can, design. Now let me tell you one thing, how you can, create effective designs. So you can try making the trendy things. You can try making the things that are trending in TikTok or Reels or YouTube. You can try designing those type of t-shirts, or you can try creating something unique. It totally depends upon you and your creativity. So I'm just gonna, click on Start Designing, and I'll quickly design a t-shirt. You just need to, do this according to you. You can add photos, you can add text, you can add AI image generator. It totally depends upon you. Just be creative with it and have feeling on your guts, and probably your product's design will blow up. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can design a shirt that should sell out. Hope you guys find this video helpful.